Today, I'm sharing a cozy, old-fashioned Japanese potato dish. The sweet soy seasoning is simple but perfectly balanced. Ingredients: potatoes, sugar, soy sauce, optional, sesame oil, shredded nori. Let's start cooking. Peel the potatoes and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Soak them briefly in water, then drain well. Add enough water to cover the potatoes and bring it to a boil. Simmer on medium-low heat for about 8 minutes. When a fork slides in easily, remove from the heat. Drain the hot water. Add all the seasonings and mix until the potatoes are evenly coated. On medium-low heat, gently stir to let the excess moisture evaporate. Be careful, it can burn easily. A small drizzle of sesame oil adds a nice, toasty aroma. Even shredded nori adds a deeper flavor. The sweet and savory flavor with the nori is just perfect. The potatoes are tender and comforting, a real Japanese home-style taste. You might find yourself eating them non-stop. Make the seasoning lighter for kid-friendly snack or stronger for great beerside. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoy this simple Japanese side dish. You can find today's ingredient links in the description below.
ガリガリおやつ。なんかポテトみたいな味した。
ポテトみたいな味する？美味しいね。